Procrastination. Procrastination is delaying an important task because it feels uncomfortable, unclear, or overwhelming. Now, let's learn how to overcome this through a short story. Nabil had an important report due soon, but distractions kept winning. Discover. Nabil noticed visually that he was choosing distraction screens over the report file and recognized it as avoidance. He heard auditorily, I will do it later, and recognized it as a habit. He felt kinesthetically restlessness in his legs and tight shoulders and recognized it as discomfort about starting. He noticed olfactorily that the cozy room made him sleepy and recognized it was weakening focus. He noticed gustatorily reaching for snacks and recognized it as escaping discomfort. Involve. Nabil chose visually the smallest start, one opening sentence, and recognized that small steps reduce resistance. He guided auditorily his actions with 2 minutes now, and recognized that firmness would break delay. He acted kinesthetically by typing immediately and recognized that movement into action, which would create momentum. He used olfactorily fresh air or the clear scent and recognized it would wake his mind. He supported gustatorily, focusing by sipping water and recognized that hydration would improve his steadiness. Visualize. Nabil imagined visually the report finishing and recognized that completion would bring peace. He heard auditorily himself saying, I have finished on time, and recognized that success words would strengthen confidence. He imagined kinesthetically relief in his body and recognized that progress would reduce pressure. He imagined olfactorily a refreshed feeling after finishing a section and recognized it as a healthy reward. He imagined gustatorily a planned reward after progress and recognized that delayed reward would reinforce discipline. Engage. Nabil kept visually a checklist and timer visible and recognized that visible progress would motivate him. He reinforced auditorily a daily start cue with the same alarm and recognized it would become automatic. He strengthened kinesthetically consistency with short work bursts and recognized that short starts reduce overwhelm. He anchored olfactorily concentration with a fresh air reset and recognized it would protect focus. He reinforced gustatorily discipline by keeping snacks after progress and recognized that this would reduce emotional eating.